Okay, hello, this is James Manning, founder of Real Income Club. This is one of two videos that will quickly help you set up your trafficwave.net autoresponder, connecting it to the capture page that's built into your promo tools in your Real Income Club back office. Um, Two capture pages exist at the current state that at the moment that I'm creating this video. The one you see here, plus another one that will have your picture right here. I highly recommend that you use that one for branding purposes. Just upload your picture on the configuration page inside your Real Income Club back office. The three pieces of information that are being captured, once they complete those fields and click Join Now, it actually creates their Real Income Club account. And then it also places them on the list of the campaign that I'm going to show you how to quickly set up here. So once you log into your trafficwave.net back office, hover over AutoResponder and then click Create New Campaign. Okay, step 1 of 5, the first thing you're going to do is create a campaign nickname. Notice that it needs to be all lowercase letters and or numbers, no spaces, dashes. I usually try to stick to lowercase letters. And I've already created the campaign Real Income Club in my back office because I had to create the letters, which I'll show you quickly how to retrieve in the next video. You're not even going to have to write any letters. So I'm just going to call this campaign Real Income Page, and it's optional to put anything in the next field, but for the fun of it, I'm just going to type Real Income Club. And the next one you're going to leave exactly as it is because we're not copying settings from an existing campaign. We're creating a completely new campaign. So verify my nickname. And then on step 2, all 3 fields are required. They are actually signature tokens that populate into the letters that I spoke of just a moment ago. So the first field is your name. The return email address, you are able to do one of two things. Either use the same email address for every trafficwave.net campaign that you create, or you can have multiple email addresses depending on the campaign and what the purpose is, but you'll have to have each email address validated already before it will actually work with that campaign. So if you start to type an email address here that you haven't validated in your profile yet, it's going to give you a message that you haven't validated that, and that you'll need to do that before it will work with this campaign. So I've already validated James at realincome.club, and that's what I'm going to put there. The next field is important because it will display. So Real Income Club is what will go in the campaign title field. Move to step 3. And step 3 is really quick and easy because it's all your information, and this information sits in your profile already. So if you will click that easy little box there and click move to step 4, you're all done on that page. Step 4 is very simple and easy because this is the data that you're capturing. And when we first started this page, that is the data we're capturing. Trafficwave.net doesn't care anything about the username. That's only for the creation of their account. But we are using a single field, which is already checked, for name. We are not separating first name and last name. And email address is always required for any autoresponder. So move to step 5. The first thing that you see here is notification of subscriptions. Personally, I enjoy getting the emails that tell me I have a new subscriber. So that's what you would receive if you check this box. Remember, you'll also receive the email from your Real Income Club back office stating that you have a new referral in your downline. So everything else on this page I always leave as it is because this is the confirmation of subscription page that they will see, and you aren't allowed to have any type of promotional or referral links, verbiage, etc. So in order to stay in compliance, I actually just leave it as is, and then I check this box that I agree with above requirements. So click finish, and then your campaign will be completely created, and it will tell you that you need to go to the letters tab to create some letters. But the good thing is, I spoke about earlier, I've already created those for you. So all you're going to do is move to the next video.